The Moonswatch Mission to Mars is a striking piece that blends Swatch's fun, affordable designs with the iconic legacy of Omega. In today's review, we'll take a look at the key specs and features of this unique timepiece, along with a custom WizVV soft silicone white-red strap, which you can find in the link in the description. The Moonswatch Mission to Mars comes in a 42mm bioceramic case, a material that combines ceramic with biosourced plastic, making it lightweight yet durable. With a thickness of 13.25mm and a lug-to-lug distance of 47.3mm, the watch fits comfortably on most wrists, offering a nice balance between presence and wearability. Weighing in at only 42 grams, this piece is incredibly light, making it perfect for long hours of wear. Protecting the dial is a Hesalite-style crystal, reminiscent of the original Omega Speedmaster, giving it a more retro, space-age feel. The dial of the Mission to Mars is one of the standout features of the watch. Featuring a white background, the dial is accented with bold red subdials, drawing inspiration from the Omega Speedmaster Alaska project. The rocket-shaped hands, which are exclusive to this model, add a unique and playful touch to the dial. The hour markers are large and filled with superluminova, ensuring that the watch remains legible in low-light conditions. The black tachymeter bezel around the edge further enhances the sporty, space-inspired aesthetic. Flipping the watch over, the solid bioceramic caseback reveals a detailed Mars engraving, reinforcing the space exploration theme. It also features the famous Omega logo, paying tribute to the legacy of the Speedmaster. However, it's important to note that this model is water-resistant to 3 ATM only, so it's suitable for splashing and hand-washing at best, while the original Moonswatch strap is a Velcro-style fabric. In this review, we've paired the Mission to Mars with the custom WizVV soft silicone white-red strap, which complements the white and red color scheme of the dial beautifully. This strap provides excellent comfort, flexibility, and durability. It's also easy to change thanks to the quick-release spring bars, allowing you to customize the look of your watch. The Moonswatch Mission to Mars features a Swiss quartz movement, offering precision and reliability with minimal maintenance. The watch is incredibly lightweight at 42 grams and features a chronograph function with 2 subdials for measuring elapsed time. However, as mentioned earlier, this model has no water resistance, so avoid using it around water. Overall, the Moonswatch Mission to Mars is a fun, stylish, and affordable way to own a piece of the legendary Omega Speedmaster heritage. The addition of the WizV soft silicone white-red strap takes the look to the next level. What do you think of the Mission to Mars? Let me know in the comments. Like, comment, and subscribe for more watch content.